Hello everyone! Welcome back to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a full troubleshooting guide to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching, crashing, freezing, stuttering, not loading, and black screen. On PS5, follow these easy steps and you should be up and running in no time. Step 1. Restart your PS5 first. Restart your PS5. Go to the power icon on the main menu and select Restart PS5. Once it reboots, try launching the game again. Step 2. Log out and log in. Go to your PS5 home screen and select your profile icon in the top right. Log out, then log back in. This often refreshes your user data and can help resolve issues. Step 3. Perform a power cycle. Fully shut down the PS5 by selecting Turn Off PS5 in the power menu. Unplug the power cable and any other cables. Wait for 20 to 30 seconds, then reconnect everything and turn it on. Step 4. Check for game updates. Go to the home screen, select your game, press Options on your controller, and choose Check for Update. If there's an update available, install it and try launching the game again. Step 5. Update your PS5 system software. Go to Settings, then System Software, then System Software, Update and Settings. Select Update System Software and allow it to install any available updates. Step 6. Try a different network. To switch networks, go to Settings, then Network, then Set up Internet connection. Choose a different Wi-Fi network or try a hotspot from your phone. Step 7. Disable or enable HDCP. Go to Settings, then System, then HDMI. Toggle Enable HDCP on or off to see if it resolves the issue. Step 8. Adjust game presets. Go to Settings, then Saved Data, then Game Presets. Try setting the performance mode or resolution mode to default. Step 9. Clear game data. Note, back up your data before deleting game files. In Settings, go to Saved Data and Game App Settings. Saved Data PS5. Select your game and delete the data, then restart the console and try the game again. Step 10. Rebuild database power off the PS5 completely. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, then release. Connect your controller with a USB cable, press the PS button, then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the issue and get back to gaming. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to Error Genie for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.